Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to learn English. What day is it today? Tuesday. And date? 5th Jan 2021. Right? Since last May, you have been learning English through videos, online videos, right? So, who was teaching you English language through videos? Do you know the name of the teacher? Do you know the name of the teacher? Did I teach you English through videos? No, I did not teach you. Is the teacher familiar to you? अरे बोला मॅडम आहेत का सर इंग्रजी शिकवणारे तुम्हाला? मॅडम आहे बरोबर ना? परिचित आहेत का तुम्हाला? डू यू नो हर? नो राईट. ओळखत नाही त्यांना? Very good. She is a teacher from our another school, Rachana Vidyalaya, and her name is Mrs. Deshpande Madam. She is a very good English teacher, and she has taught you very nicely through videos, because I have watched some of the videos shared by her, right? So I hope you are very happy, and you must have enjoyed her learning, her teaching, right? So last video she has shared with you is 3.5 great scientists. Have you watched that video? Have you watched the video 3.5 great scientists shared by Mrs. Deshpande Madam? Yes or no? Yes, very good. So you have watched the last video shared by Mrs. Deshpande Madam, right? Now we are going to conduct some comprehension activity based on the lesson Great Scientists. So open your notebook. Please open your notebook and do write the activity with me. You can keep your book also open. Along with your notebook, you can keep your book also open. Alright? So start. Great scientists comprehension activities. Comprehension activities. Activity number 1. Match the pairs. A, give your answer, and here B. So in this way number 1, horse, fascination. Then number 3, renown. And last one is number 4 is relentless. number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Famous. Never stopping. Activity. Fraction. So this is the activity. This is vocabulary activity. We must ensure whether we know the words in the text, whether we know the meaning of the words. This is the purpose behind the activity. So I forgot your name. Atharva. Am I right? Atharva. Atharva, please stand up. Read loudly.
Next appears
Loudly, loudly.
next appears A. Number 1 horse, number 2
Fascination.
fascination, number 3
Renown.
renown, number 4 relatives,
No, relentless.
relentless,
Follow me. Relentless.
relentless,
Relentless.
relentless,
Relentless.
relentless,
Relentless.
relentless.
Okay, B part.
B. Number 1 forms,
No. Famous.
famous,
Famous.
famous,
Famous.
famous,
Famous.
famous. Number 2 never stopping, number 3 extremity,
Extremities.
extremities,
Extremities.
extremities,
Extremities.
extremities,
Extremities.
extremities,
E-X.
EX,
T-R-E.
ERE,
M-I.
MI,
P-I-E-S.
ES,
Extremities.
extremities,
Extremities.
extremities,
Extremities.
extremities,
Extremities.
extremities. Number 4 attractions.
Attraction. Okay. Now you have to match the pair and right answers here in the middle column. So what is the meaning of the word horse from here? Raise your hands, those who know. Try. Come on, please. Guess it and try. Though your answer is wrong, no problem. I am not going to scold you. I am not going to punish you. You just try sincerely. Do not waste your time. We have only 30 minutes in hand. Hurry up.
Attraction.
Horse attraction.
Yes.
No. You just try which one is possible for you to match. Tell me the answers which you surely know. You are sure about the answers. Tell those answers only. Come on. Saili, no? Sanika. What Sanika? Huh?
Extremities.
Huh?
Extremities.
Horse. Very good. Horse extremities. Horse extremities. What is your name?
Vishnu.
Krishna. Give clap for Krishna. Well done. Number 2, fascination. Again, Krishna is ready with answer. Huh?
Never stopping.
No, sorry, Krishna. Huh?
Attraction.
Very good. Your name?
Pravati.
Pravati has given the second answer correctly. So clap for Pravati. Very good, Pravati. Fascination means attraction. Number 3, who will give the answer? Renowned. Renowned.
Famous.
Very good. Name? writing. So this was vocabulary activity. These are the answers. Odds means extremities. याला आपण काय म्हणतो? संकटे. मराठी अर्थ काय? फॅसिनेशन, अट्रॅक्शन म्हणजे काय? आकर्षण. Renowned means famous, meaning in Marathi प्रसिद्ध. And then relentless, never stopping म्हणजे अविश्रांत, विश्रांती न घेता कष्ट करणे, काम करणे, कुठलीही विश्रांती न घेता अखंड काम करणे. Relentless. This is an adjective. Relentless is adjective. Okay? समजलं कसं बरोबर? नक्की? Have you understood it? Now open your book. Please open your book. May I clean the board? May I clean the board? मोठ्याने बोला, मला ऐकू येत नाहीये. बहिरा ऐकू येते तुम्हाला? हा, मग तुम्ही मोठ्याने बोललं पाहिजे. मी बहिरा आहे, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, थोडं मोठ्याने उत्तर द्या मला, प्लीज. गुड. कधी माहित झालं तुम्हाला मी बहिरा आहे असं? गेल्या वर्षी? अरे वा वा वा, बरं झालं तुम्हाला समजलं बरं का. नाव ऍक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 2. म्हणजे झटपट बघणे. Glance the text quickly and write whether the statements are true or false. म्हणजे तुम्ही पुस्तकाच्या पहिल्या त्या पाठाच्या पहिल्या ओळीपासून तर शेवटच्या ओळीपर्यंत झटपट बघायचं. तुम्ही पाठ अभ्यासलेला आहे. यू मस्ट हॅव रेड द स्टोरी. ग्रेट सायंटिस्ट पुन्हा एकदा बघायचंय. तोपर्यंत टिल आय विल राईट द स्टेटमेंट्स ऑन द बोर्ड. पाठ पूर्ण बघून झाला तुमचा की स्टेटमेंट घ्यायचे आणि लगेच त्याची उत्तरं शोधायची. ओके. दिस ऍक्टिव्हिटी विल नॉट बी कंटिन्यूड मोर दॅन 10 मिनिट्स. काल मर्यादा लक्षात ठेवा. टाइम लिमिट 10 मिनिट्स ओनली. यू ओपन युअर बुक, पेन डाउन, कीप युअर बुक इन हँड. पुस्तक हातात घ्या. पेज नंबर 89 to 93. सगळे पण बरोबर वाचायचे. टिल आय विल राईट द स्टेटमेंट्स हिअर. वाचून झाल्यानंतर तुम्ही पेन हातात घ्यायचा आहे. वाचन क्विकली करायचंय. लाईन टू लाईन रीडिंग करायचं नाहीये. फास्ट ओव्हरलुक करायचंय. ग्लान्स म्हणजे ओव्हरलुक करणे, पटकन बघणे. पुस्तक घ्या हातामध्ये पटकन. सरांनी सूचना दिली होती काल व्हॉट्सअपवरती. पालखेडकर सर and your class teacher both have given the instruction to keep English textbook in your bag. तुम्हाला कोणाचाही दुसऱ्याच्या वस्तू शेअर करायला परवानगी नाहीये. वी आर लर्निंग इन पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशन. असं करू नका. पुस्तक स्वतःचं सोबत ठेवायला पाहिजे उत्तरामध्ये. कुणी तुम्हाला पुस्तक देणार नाही दुसरं. यू कॉन्ट शेअर विथ अदर्स. कारण वी आर नॉट लर्निंग इन नॉर्मल सिच्युएशन. वी आर लर्निंग इन पॅन्डेमिक. दुसऱ्याच्या वस्तू वापरायच्या नाहीये. तुम्ही इकडे सरका जर थोडे. हां, जवळजवळ येऊ नका अजिबात. ज्यांच्याकडे नाहीये ते आता हेल्पलेस आहे. दे आर हेल्पलेस. What can I do for you? We must follow the instructions very sincerely. Okay, please continue your glancing. Michael Faraday was born in a very poor family London in United Kingdom. Number 2. Faraday was forced to leave the school, being unable to pronounce properly. Number 3. At the age of 13, he worked in a garage. Number 4. He had keen interest in reading the books. मी काय म्हटलं उद्दिष्ट काय ऍक्टिव्हिटीचं कॉम्प्रिहेन्शन किती अडचणी आहेत म्हणजे आपण नीट अभ्यास केलेला नाहीये Number 3, at the age of 13, Faraday worked in a garage. Find there. Next paragraph. त्याच्या पुढच्या परिच्छेदामध्ये दिलं आहे. True or false? एवढा वेळ नाही लागला पाहिजे. It's a very quick activity.
False.
It is false because
At 13 hours, he started working with a book binder and
means he was working in a book binding shop, not in garage. Simple. This is called comprehension. Next. He had keen interest in reading the books, same paragraph. And even in the continuing paragraph. It is true. He had really keen interest in reading the books. So it is true. Continuing paragraph next. Davy was Faraday's role model, but he turned down the request to be a mentor of Faraday. I think next page. Next page, continuing paragraph. You will get the answer. True or false? Come on. You are taking a lot of time. You need to accelerate your comprehensive reading. Davy was Faraday's role model, but he turned down the request to be a mentor of Faraday. Not good at all. You could have brought the books with you. This is absolutely wrong that you do not follow the instructions by the headmaster and the class teacher. So unfortunate.
false.
How is it false?
That day in 1820, Faraday was spilled
पहा आणि चक्क त्याने ते करून पाहिलं and that was great success असं दिलेलं आहे. फाइंड आउट. आवाज.
The induction motor spurred revolution forms are conduction and conductioning and sewing machines and photographs and power tools and cars and even trains and earplace.
Okay, now come back to the statement. The invention of induction motor came out of mockery directed at Faraday by Davy. True or false?
False.
How is it false? Davy ने फॅराडेची थट्टा केली होती. तुला जमणार नाही, करून बघ. Faraday did it, and that's why nowadays we have fans, we have induction, because the induction motor came into existence. It is invented only because of Faraday. How can you tell it is false? That is given there, you read it and you did not understand. वाचलं ते तुला समजलेलं नाहीये. It is true. And the last statement, Faraday's appreciation by other people made Davy very happy. फॅराडेचं लोकांनी केलेलं कौतुक बघून डेव्हीला खूप आनंद व्हायचा. Find the proof from the book. त्याच्या खालच्या परीक्षेमध्ये हा
True.
धन्यवाद बाबा, धन्यवाद. यू आर ग्रेट. काय प्रूफ सापडला तुला? व्हॉट इज युअर प्रूफ? रीड इट.
As a teacher, Davies was happy at his people's achievement, but in relative he was jealous.
He was jealous.
Jealous.
म्हणजे काय? What does it mean? Davy was jealous when people were appreciating Faraday. What does it mean? इथं काय म्हटलेलं आहे स्टेटमेंट मध्ये? Faraday's appreciation by other people made Davy very happy. Is it true? Jealous आणि हॅपीचा फरक कळतो का? हॅपी म्हणजे आनंदी, जेलस म्हणजे काय? तिरस्कार करणारा, द्वेष करणारा, मत्सर करणारा. So true or false?
False.
मग काय शिकलो आपण? आपण फक्त व्हिडिओ बघतोय डाउनलोड करून, नाही असं नाही. But do we really learn? Do we really read the text comprehensively? If we are not doing our work sincerely, who will be blamed? Finally, I will be blamed. And I did not teach you since last 10 months. Huh? Finally, I will be blamed. So, this is not good. You should read very sincerely. You should refer dictionary. You should ask the teacher. सगळ्या सुविधा दिलेल्या आहे. मी जर तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ शेअर केला असेल किंवा मॅडमने केला असेल तर तुम्ही त्या नंबरवरती तुम्ही तुमचे प्रश्न विचारू शकता की नाही? Why don't you ask your queries? It's not fair. Please, I request you. Whenever you have doubt, you must raise it. You must ask your doubt fearlessly. आणि उद्यापासून मुख्याध्यापकांनी, पालखेडकर सरांनी, वर्ग शिक्षकांनी दोघांनी तुम्हाला कालपासून सूचना टाकलेली होती कोणत्या विषयाची पुस्तकं दप्तरात आणायची आहेत म्हणून. तरीही निम्म्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी फक्त वही आणि पेन आणलेला आहे. इट्स नॉट गुड. सूचनांचं काटेकोरपणे पालन करा. दुसऱ्याचं पुस्तक तुम्हाला शेअर करता येणार नाहीये. ऑल राईट. सिन्सिअरली आजच करायचं रात्री तो. कळलं का? दॅट्स इट. थँक्यू.